Megha,
Yes, ma'am.
everybody understood beta? The first part? Now begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
we
Yes,
begin
ma'am.
with the second one, right? And I told you what happened. The pilot was flying an aeroplane and he was going to his home to England. What happens? How did he reach there? Okay, all this is given and it's a beautiful story, a mysterious one. Put the date written. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, should I begin?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the moon was
Yes,
coming up in the east behind me and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. Okay. Now the narrator, he is on his way and he's there. He's the pilot who is narrating the story. So he says the moon, it was rising up in the east and it was behind me, means behind him at the back of him. And the stars were shining in the clear sky above me, means what time of day was it? What time of day?
Night.
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 Very good, Shrey. There wasn't a cloud in the sky, means it was a very clear sky. Okay, when do the stars shine, beta? When there are no clouds in the sky, isn't it? जब बादल नहीं होते
Yes,
तभी तो stars shine करते हुए दिखते हैं. So there wasn't a cloud in the sky. I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. And he says, yes, I was quite happy. All alone, he was there. He was flying the plane and he was high up in the sky above the sleeping countryside. Why? Because everybody was sleeping. It was the night time. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. Which aeroplane he was flying? Dakota aeroplane. Okay. And from France, he was going back to England. I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. Now, see, this pilot, he was very much excited to go to England, right? And he was just dreaming of his holiday and he was just dreaming that very soon he would be there with his family enjoying the breakfast. I looked at my watch 1:30 in the morning. Clear what time it was?
1:30 morning.
1:30.
1:30. Okay, morning कौन सा हो गया? रात को after 12 o'clock the morning begins or not?
AM.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, that.
AM.
Clear? This passage is, this para is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I should call Paris control soon, I thought. As I looked down past the nose of the aeroplane, I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. Now, see, when he was flying the aeroplane, you know, as he had started from France and now he was going to England, and then um, as he sees lights of a big city in front of him, okay, nose क्या होती है of the aeroplane? आगे का हिस्सा, है ना? Do you see the pointed part? राइट तो वहां से उसने देखा लाइट्स देखी बड़ी सी सिटी की एंड ही अंडरस्टूड कि वो पेरिस पहुंच गया है तो वो कहता है कि आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल पेरिस कंट्रोल रूम सून I switched on the radio and said Paris control Dakota DS088 here. This when he was there in France, you know, the pilot, he thought of informing the Paris control, okay, room about his personal, about his presence and for instructions. You know, when any aeroplanes they enter any city or any state, okay, they contact the control room. Why? Because they have to inform and they just also wait for the instructions given by the control room. So similarly उसने भी सोचा कि Paris control room से मैं contact करता हूँ and I'm going to tell them about my presence. I'll just take the instructions also. So I switch on the radio. उसने switch on करा radio को and said Paris control Dakota DS-088 here. Right? अब उसने कंट्रोल रूम जो था उसको इन्फॉर्म करा कि पेरिस कंट्रोल में इन्फॉर्म करा कि Dakota DS-088 here means it has entered the Paris. It has entered the city. Can you hear me? I am on my way to England. Over. And then he confirms and he says to Paris control room if they could hear him, and then he just announces his plan that he is going to England. The voice from the radio answered me immediately. तुरंत से है ना, जो कंट्रोल रूम था वहां से जवाब आ गया. DS-088, I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. DS-008 over. समझ में आया कैसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस आते हैं? तो फिर उन्होंने फर्दर अपने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दिए उन्होंने और बोला कि नाउ यू हैव टू टर्न, मींस उसने कह दिया कि आई एम ऑन माय वे टू इंग्लैंड, तो बोले तुम्हें टर्न होना है 12 degrees west now. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I checked the map and the compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank and turned the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. So this pilot, after receiving the instructions, he just checked his map, he checked his compass, and then he just switched on his last fuel tank. Fuel tank, you got it? What is a fuel tank?
Where the fuel is known.
Yes, the fuel is there in the tank, है ना? इसमें डीजल पेट्रोल वगैरह होते हैं, fuel tank हो गया ना? So he just put the last fuel tank into operation. And उसने अपने Dakota plane को turn कर लिया towards 12 degrees west, okay, towards England. I will be in time for breakfast, I thought. A good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. Now see, अब सारे समय he was dreaming about his time with his family, that he is going to enjoy. He will reach there to England and he is going to have a very good breakfast with his family. And everything was going on. He was very quiet. He was very calm as everything was going on according to his flight, and he did not face any problems. Now Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me when I saw the clouds. It means the pilot had crossed Paris, okay, and now he had crossed Paris and it was already 150 kilometers behind him. And after flying 150 kilometers away from the Paris, he just saw the clouds. उसने क्या देखने शुरू कर दिए? He started seeing the clouds, storm clouds. Okay, अब वो clouds देखे वो समझ गया those were storm clouds. They were huge. See, the size of the clouds were very big. They were very huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. समझ में आया कि वो जो black clouds थे, they were so huge and dark कि pilot, he compares them with the black mountain, as if some big black, huge black mountains were standing in front of him. Getting it?
Yes.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many kilometers away he was there from the Paris control room, or yeah, from the Paris?
150
Yeah, he was there 150 kilometers, right? And what did he started seeing?
Clouds.
He started seeing black dark clouds, and those dark clouds look like dash. They look like what?
Storm cloud.
Yeah,
Black
they were
mountains.
storm
Black
clouds,
mountains.
and they look like huge mountains standing in front of him. Okay, ऐसा लगा बड़े बड़े पहाड़ उसके सामने. अब देखो वो क्या सोचता है. I knew I could not fly up and over them, and I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. अब उसको मालूम था, he knew very well that he couldn't pass them. Okay, he could not fly over them It was impossible to go above them. उनके ऊपर से जाना बड़ा impossible था. To escape them, उनके side से निकलना भी it was quite difficult. Why? Because he had a little amount of fuel that was enough for him to reach England. यदि वो उनके साइड से निकलता, लंबा रास्ता लेता, तो it wouldn't have been possible for him. तो वो क्या सोचता है? I ought to go back to Paris, I thought, but I wanted to get home. तब उसके दिमाग में आया कि सबसे बढ़िया डिसीजन क्या होगा? That I must return back to Paris. I must fly back to Paris.
Ma'am, Hardik's speaker is on, creating much noise.
I'll just mute him. These people, they don't understand, you know. चल, ठीक है?
Yes.
Now see, it was not possible for him to fly over those mountains. Got it? अब ये भी possible नहीं था to fly around them to the north or south, यानी उनके साइड से निकलना, है ना? वो भी possible नहीं था नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन से होते हुए जाना या साउथ से होते हुए जाना. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके लिए फ्यूल ज्यादा था and he was not having enough fuel. Got it? उसने लास्ट फ्यूल टैंक ऑन करा था and that was enough to reach England. समझ गए बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो वो सोचता है, हाँ, अब वो सोचता है कि the best thing is that I must fly back to Paris, right? लेकिन उसके अंदर एक विश जो थी उसकी इस बात को, है ना, ओवर रूल कर रही थी और वो चाहता था that I wanted that breakfast, I'll take the risk. अब वो मनी मन सोचता है कि पहले तो उसने सही डिसीजन लिया कि द बेस्ट थिंग इज आई मस्ट फ्लाई बैक टू पेरिस, लेकिन साथ ही साथ, है ना, वो क्या सोचता है, बट आई वांटेड टू गेट होम, आई वांटेड द ब्रेकफास्ट. क्लियर? अब वो मनी मन सोचता है कि यस, जो उसका डिसीजन था, राइट, वो बहुत ज्यादा क्लाउडेड था बाय हिज विश. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू मीट हिज फैमिली, है ना, बड़ा डेस्परेट हो रहा था अपनी फैमिली से मिलने के लिए और इंग्लिश ब्रेकफास्ट लेने के लिए, जो वो पूरे दिन से ड्रीम कर रहा था. तो वो फाइनली डिसीजन लेता है कि I'll take the risk, I thought, and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. और उसने डिसीजन लिया that he will not return to Paris. Okay, I'll just proceed towards England, and he took the risk of not going back. So he headed the plane right into the storm. He took the plane right into the storm. यानी बादलों के बीच में ले जाता है. Clear बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. Now see, those were dark black clouds, beta. Okay, when he took his plane inside the clouds, what did he see? Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. Nothing could be seen because those were dark. Okay, nothing was visible outside the plane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. Okay, अब क्या हुआ? He started losing his control on the plane, you know, और जो plane था वो jump करने लगा, twist करने लगा air में. I looked at the compass. Compass मालूम है ना, जो directions बताता है, उसने उसको देखा तो क्या देखा? I couldn't believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. Means even the compass, it had stopped working. Okay, and the needle of the compass that shows the direction, it has become free. Why? Because it was not working and it was moving round and round and round because of the bad weather. It was dead, it would not work. The other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio, and when he checked the other instruments there in the cockpit, what did he see? Even the other instruments, they were dead. And he tried the radio and he became very helpless. No instrument was working because of the storm. All the instruments had become dead. Paris control, can you hear me now? He tried to contact the Paris control room. There was no answer. Okay, Paris control को उसने कोशिश करी कि भाई कांटेक्ट करें, क्योंकि उन्होंने ही पहले हेल्प करा था, वही पास में थे, तो any instructions would be given by them. But the radio couldn't be connected due to the bad weather. The radio was dead too. और उसने क्या realize करा? Even the radio, it was dead. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. See what happened. Everything failed. His radio stopped working, other instruments stopped working, compass stopped working. He couldn't see outside the plane. Why? Because he had entered black clouds. You know, it was darkness all over, huge clouds were there. Then in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. समझ में आया? अब वो बड़ा हेल्पलेस हो गया, पर अचानक से उसने क्या देखा कि ब्लैक क्लाउड्स में one more aeroplane was there. It had no lights on its wing, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. और वो क्या नोटिस करता है पायलट कि this black cloud, okay, next to him जो था, उसमें कोई लाइट्स वगैरह उसकी विंग्स पर नहीं थी, but still it was flying into the storm. I could see the pilot face turn towards me, and what did he see? That the pilot of that aeroplane, it was looking towards the narrator. I was very glad to see another person. और बहुत खुश होता है कि ऐसे समय में चलो he could see another person, बहुत relieved feel होता है वो. And he lifted one hand and waved, follow me. He was saying, follow me. He knows that I'm lost. I thought he's trying to help. See now. So this pilot, he was very much relieved when he saw another pilot's face, and who was willing to help him. Why? Because that pilot, you know, he just lifted his hand, who was there in the other plane, and he just waved towards this narrator and told him to follow him. Okay. And again and again he was asking him to follow him. So this narrator, he understood very well कि उसको मालूम है that I had been lost, he had been lost, so he was just trying to help. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So he turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota so that it would be easier for me to follow him. So now what did that pilot do, beta? What did he do? He took his aeroplane, he turned his aeroplane slowly towards the north. Okay. And in front of his old Dakota aeroplane, बिल्कुल इसके सामने plane लेकर आ गया, so that it would be easier for the narrator to follow him. Okay, how can you follow somebody? How do you follow somebody? Yes. When somebody is ahead of you, isn't it? When when somebody is ahead of you, जब कोई आपके आगे होगा तभी तो आप उसको follow करोगे ना बेटा. तो इसी तरह से वो plane जो था, जो pilot था, he took his plane ahead of this old Dakota, and that made it easier for him to follow. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. Okay, जिस तरह से obedient बच्चा होता है, अपने आगे जो भी instructions देता है उनको follow करता है. So similarly, the narrator says, even I was quite happy to follow this to follow this pilot who was flying ahead of me and who was asking me to follow him. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now what will you do? You're going to revise up till here. Okay? You will revise
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
Everyone will
Okay,
revise. Tomorrow
Yes.
first I'm going to
Yes, ma'am.
ask you some oral questions and then we'll continue with the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood?
yes,
From where did this narrator he started? From where he was coming?
Paris.
Paris.
No,
Paris.
from France. Yes, France. And he was
Paris.
going to England. Right? हाँ. फिर वो फ्रांस में किसको कांटेक्ट करता है?
Paris country.
Paris
Direct control.
ओके. और फिर
Paris
वो
control.
क्या कहते हैं कितने
Paris
डिग्री टर्न होना है?
12
degrees.
degrees.
12 degrees.
12 degrees.
Later on, what did the pilot find? How was the weather?
Storm
Later
clouds
on.
were
Stormy
there.
clouds.
Stormy clouds
Black
and
mountain.
Ah,
it
Stormy
looked like a
clouds.
huge
Stormy
mountain.
Did he fly above the storm clouds, Vita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did he
ma'am.
fly above the above
was
any
flying,
ऊपर
but
से
no,
निकला
ma'am,
क्या?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am,
Inside.
from
No, it was
inside,
not possible. Side से निकला
from
क्या
inside
north
the
से?
clouds.
Ah, it was
Inside.
not possible कि side से भी निकले वो. So he just entered the storm clouds. Okay. The storm clouds were
Yes.
dark and black, isn't it? Was he able to see anything outside his
No,
plane?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
What
ma'am.
happened to
No,
his
ma'am.
compass and other
He
instruments?
became dead.
Were not
Dead.
working and
It was
are
Did he
round,
dead.
round
control
and
the
round.
The compass moved round, round, and
Did
round.
he contact the Paris control room?
No, ma'am. No,
Trying
because the
to
radio is
control,
but
fixed.
But the
Because the
radio
radio
failed.
is dead.
Okay. And then whom did he see, beta? Whom did he see?
And another aeroplane.
Yes, another aeroplane.
Another
One more
aeroplane.
aeroplane was flying just next to him. And what did the pilot try to tell him? Why did he wave his hand?
To follow him, and
Yes, to
he
follow
was
him. Very
wanted to
good.
help the narrator.
Okay, very good. Got it? So tomorrow
Yes,
we'll do
ma'am.
the rest
Yes,
part
ma'am.
of the chapter. Right?
Ma'am.
Goodbye and God
Yes,
bless you.
thank you.